In this video, we're going to show you how you can use any AI tool completely for free and legally without using Temp Mail. Not only that, we'll also reveal a secret method that can help you start earning $5,000 to $10,000 or more from the very first month using these AI tools. This is a method no YouTuber has ever shared with you, and you won't find it anywhere else on the internet. I understand your frustration. You want to use AI software for free, but with the constant updates these tools are getting, temp mails no longer work like they used to. You may be getting errors like, this email has already been used, or being flagged as spam. Some AI tools don't even allow email sign-up anymore. They require direct login using a Google account. And let's be honest, it's not easy to keep creating unlimited Google accounts manually. That's exactly why we made this short video, to solve this big problem for you once and for all, in the easiest way possible. First, we will visit a website called CloudSkillsBoost.google. Its interface will look like this, and I will give its link in the description. With the help of this, you can open an unlimited number of Google accounts without a mobile number or verification. This is a service provided by Google, so it's completely safe to use and legal. To access it, click on Sign In or Join. After clicking, a new page will open where you will log in with your Google account. After logging in, some basic information will be asked, which you can easily fill in. After filling these out, your Google Cloud account will be created. Once the account is created, click on the green Start Lab button and verify it using the I am not a robot checkbox. Within a few seconds, Google will give you a new Google account username and password. Now, since we have the username and password of the new account, we will log into the new account using them. Logging into a new account is very easy. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner. Then a drop-down menu will appear, and from there, click on Add Chrome Profile. A new interface will open where you need to click on Continue without an account, and then a new Google Chrome interface will appear. From there, click on the profile icon again and select Sign In to Chrome. Then log in using the username and password provided by Google. Some terms and conditions will appear that you have to accept. Now you can search for any AI on Google, like we are showing here with Heyluo AI. By going to that AI and signing in using Continue with Google, you will receive new free credits again. Once your credit is used up, you can repeat this process to get free credits again. For this, you no longer need to worry about using Temp Mail because we know that AI software is constantly updating, and the option to log in with Temp Mail is slowly being blocked. Another important thing to keep in mind is that there is no need to stop the timer that starts running. If you close the session after getting the username and password, Google may think that the platform is being misused or it may suspect a phishing attack. Let the timer run fully and it will automatically close itself within an hour. And now, let's get to the part you've been waiting for. Look, YouTube is full of creators teaching AI content creation, but none of them go deep. None of them will share the secret methods that let you create consistent character-based content using any free AI without wasting time, credits, or money. No one will tell you how to do prompt engineering the right way to maximize results while saving your resources. They definitely won't show you how to upload those AI videos to YouTube and actually get millions of views, turning those views into thousands of dollars in revenue. And good luck finding anyone who will teach you in detail how to use those same AI content to dominate on Fiverr by optimizing gigs and earning over $10,000 a month just from freelancing. And most importantly, no one talks about how to build your own AI content creation agency from scratch. That's exactly why I created this AI content creation ebook, to solve that gap. It's not just theory. It includes practical step-by-step tutorials, real case studies from 10 successful YouTube AI channels, plus lessons learned from those who failed, so you know what to avoid and what actually works. And yes, I've included 50 low-competition but high-engagement AI content niches that you can start with right now. This ebook alone can be the reason you start earning $5,000 to $10,000 plus in your very first month. And I'm offering it at a very minimal price, far less than its actual value. So if you're serious about building a future with AI content creation, don't wait for the competition to grow. Start your journey today. Visit softuniverse.com/ebook or simply click the link in the description. You can purchase it using credit card, debit card, Google Pay, or even gift it to a friend.